Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add widget on Xiaomi phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Widgets are usual little programs that clearly display the content of downloaded or pre-installed apps. For example, if a stock market app has been downloaded, the appropriate widget will display specific code that may be of interest to user. Widget can be quickly installed, uninstalled, and placed anywhere on the home screen. So how to add widgets on your Xiaomi phone? It's so simple. You can just tap and hold on your home screen like this until there is a pop-up widgets option appear on your screen like this. You can just tap on widgets, and in here there are so many widgets that you can add to your home screen. But for if you want to add the basic widget, you can just choose on Android widgets, and here you'll find the quick functions like the cleaner, lock, Wi-Fi, touch, also the clock, calculator, and any other widget in here. Maybe for example, you want to add this, maybe note. There is so much style of notes that you can add to your home screen. I will choose this one for example. You can just tap and hold and place it to your home screen like this. So go right, and if you want to remove it, you can just tap and hold and choose on remove. You can add another widget. You can also choose widgets from these apps with multiple widgets like the app fold, clock. Let's see on the clock style. There's so much clock style that you can add to your home screen, and also for the weather, this, if you want to, choose this one for example to place it in here. It's so cool, right? So there's so much widgets that you can add to your home screen that Xiaomi gives you, and it's so simple, pretty simple to add the widgets. You can just tap and hold on your home screen, and you can just choose on the widgets that you want to add to your home screen. So cool, right? So that is how to add widgets on your home screen on Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.